In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in CoinMarketCap. It's a simple but highly effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. Let's dive right in and get your account secured. First, open your web browser and head over to the CoinMarketCap website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings option. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including security features like 2FA. Next, in the settings menu, you're going to look specifically for the account security section. This is where you'll find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on the account security link and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to securing your account. This area houses several tools and options for enhancing your account's safety, with the 2FA option being a center point. Once you're on the account security page, look for the Enable button. It's an inviting button that's typically easy to find because it's designed to grab your attention. Click on Enable to start the process of setting up two-factor authentication for your account. After clicking Enable, you'll see a prompt for the next steps. Simply follow these cues and click on Next. This will guide you through the process and ensure you're on the right track. There will be a series of pages where clicking Next is required, so keep an eye out for those prompts as you proceed. Once you've made it through the initial steps, look for a button that says Get Code. Clicking this will send a code to your registered email or phone number, ensuring that only you can complete the setup process. This step is crucial because it verifies that it's actually you attempting to enable 2FA. After receiving your verification code, head back to the CoinMarketCap page and enter the code in the provided field. Be sure to enter it accurately to avoid any delays. Once entered, you'll likely be asked to confirm that the code is correct. Double check your entry and then proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your CoinMarketCap account. This added layer of protection helps to keep your account secure from unauthorized access by requiring both your password and an additional verification code whenever you log in. Congratulations on taking this important step to safeguard your digital assets. Remember, even with 2FA enabled, always stay vigilant about your online security habits. It's a small step that goes a long way in protecting your online presence. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.